Before fetch existed, every real AJAX call went through this one object. Let's use it for real and see why fetch eventually replaced it. XMLHttpRequest, or XHR, is the original real browser API for making an AJAX request, and it's been in every browser since the early 2000s. It's genuinely event-based. You set a real onload callback instead of using a modern promise, and it's still fully supported today. Some real libraries and upload progress features still use it directly. Fetch, covered next, does the exact same real job with far less code. This real object is the actual thing that sends and tracks the request. Every property and method on it genuinely exists in every browser shipped today. This real call configures the request method and URL, but doesn't send anything yet. It's genuinely just set up. This real callback only runs once the actual response genuinely arrives. There's no promise here, just a real event firing later. Unlike fetch's raise.jso, XHR hands you the real raw response text yourself. You have to genuinely parse it as JSO by hand. Same real payoff as always. The real DOM updates with whatever the server genuinely sent back. Closing the real callback, notice it was defined before the request was even sent, which trips people up the first time. This is the real line that actually fires the request off. Everything before it was just configuration, nothing left the browser yet. 3 real separate steps just to make one request. This exact verbosity is the real reason fetch was eventually added to browsers. A real, separate callback for genuine network failure. Unlike fetch's single try catch, XHR splits success and failure into 2 different real event handlers. This is a genuinely real capability fetch still can't match as easily. XHR reports real upload-download progress events, which is why some file upload libraries still reach for it directly. A real number from 0 to 4 unsent, opened, headers received, loading, done, genuinely exposing more granular detail than a fetch promise does on its own. Nothing here is deprecated. Every real browser still ships XMLHttpRequest today, and plenty of production real code still uses it directly. The next video rewrites this identical real quote loading request using fetch, so you can compare the real code side by side. Next, the exact same request, rewritten with fetch, the modern way to do AJAX.